What if I told you you can earn a substantial income on Amazon simply by publishing a straightforward book? Would you believe me? And that this book would generate recurring income for you time and time again, but without an office, without a boss, and without any major upfront investment. Does all of this sound like a little too good to be true? Perhaps even like a scam. And you know what? I thought the exact same thing. But then I gave Amazon KDP a try and I realized something crucial. Most people aren't failing because Amazon KDP doesn't work. Rather, they are failing because they are doing it the wrong way. In this video, I will show you step by step exactly how to get started with Amazon KDP from scratch. No confusion, no complicated jargon, just simple, clear steps that actually deliver results. We have covered 8 steps in this video, but part 7 is the most critical as it addresses the common mistakes newcomers make, so definitely do not miss it. So let's start with part 1. What is KDP? We have to understand the platform first. Amazon KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. It's a platform where you can publish books and Amazon sells them for you. You do not need to print anything, you do not need to ship anything. Amazon handles everything. You just upload your book and when somebody buys, you get paid. And there are 2 kinds of books: low content book like journals, notebooks, planners, and high content book like storybooks, guides, or educational book. If you're a beginner, start with low content book because it's easy, fast, and less risk. And now part 2, the real truth. You have to listen this very carefully. KDP is not magic. You will not upload one book and become rich overnight. That's not real. But if you stay consistent, do things smartly, you can build a real passive income. Most people quit too early. They upload 2 books, get no sales, and stop. But winners do something different. They test, they learn, they improve. And that is exactly what I will teach you. Step 1, niche research. This is the most important step. If you choose a wrong niche, you will not get sales. So do this. Go to Amazon, search for journal, planner, coloring books. Look at the results. Ask yourself, are people buying this? Check reviews. If books have hundreds or thousands of reviews, that means high in demand. Now check competition. If all books look very professional and perfect, it will be very hard to compete. You need to strike a balance. High demand, low to medium competition. Example, good niches are self-care journals, fitness tracker, kids coloring books, and daily planners. Avoid very crowded niches like just notebook, just diary. Be specific. The more specific you are, the better your chances. And now step 2, create your book. Do not overthink, start simple. Use free tools like Canva. For a journal, just create pages like line pages, trackers, simple designs. For a planner, add sections like goals, daily tasks, notes. Keep it clean. Do not try to make it perfect. Remember, done is better than perfect. Now the most important one, your book cover. People judge your book by its cover. Use a bold title, clear design, simple colors. Do not make it messy, make it readable. And now step 3, upload your book to KDP website. You need to create your account. Click on create paperback, fill details, your title, subtitle, author's name, the description. Make sure you put your keywords in your title. For example, daily fitness planner for beginners. And after that, just simply upload your book, upload all the files, select the right categories, select the right prices, and that's it. For beginners, I recommend keeping the price low to attract your first sales. And that is it. Your book is live. And now step 4, this is where most people fail. They just upload and wait. That doesn't work. You need to push your book. Share on social media, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest. You can create a simple video showcasing your book, talk about your benefits. It can be this journal helps you stay focused, track your goals, improve your daily life. You need to also make sure your book is very well SEO optimized on Amazon. Use the right keywords. This helps Amazon to show your book in the relevant places. Remember, consistency is the key. Upload more books. One book will not change your life, but 20 books can. Part 7, copying others blindly. This is the biggest mistake. Do not copy, learn from others, but create your own version. Also, do not expect fast money. This is a long game. Think like a business. Every book is an asset. More assets, more income. Let me be very honest with you. You might not get results in the first week, maybe not even in the first month, but that doesn't mean it's not working. It means you're learning. Every successful person started from zero. They were confused, they made mistakes, but they did not quit. If you stay consistent, you will see results. Not maybe, but definitely. So now you know how to start Amazon KDP step by step. No confusion, no excuses. Now it's your turn. Take action, start today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. And yes, do let me know in the comments how many of you have already started this. That's all for now. I will see you in another powerful video just like this one.